For over the past 50 years, this school has been giving back to their community in more ways than one. I'm here with Mr. Gutierrez, who's the Director of Education, and we're standing behind a pretty unique classroom. Tell us a little bit more about the programs at South Texas Vocational Technical Institute.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for having me. So we are in front of our electrical program lab. This program has 8 classes total. It's a great program for individuals that want to get into the field and become an electrician. The classes involve lecture and lab, so there's a lot of hands-on here available for all the students. They spend part of the time in lecture and then part of the time in the laboratory, as you can see them working here.
And I feel like by having that hands-on learning that you offer here at STVT, that's how these students are really able to grasp all of that different types of programs and things like that. And so tell me a little bit more about how you being the Director of Education, how you've seen classes like these benefit your students.
Oh, yes, ma'am. So our students are attracted to the hands-on activity,
yes,
right? And all of our programs have hands-on activities. And so it really helps them to be able to not just learn the knowledge and the information, but then to apply it.
Absolutely.
In a laboratory setting like this.
And so these classes are so unique and they're also so impactful. How has that been with you? You said you have over 7 different programs here. How have you seen that happen in other programs besides just the electrical programs?
Yes, well, our trade programs include the electrical. We have a heating, ventilation, air conditioning program. We have a truck driving program, and then we also have allied health programs.
Awesome.
For medical clinical assisting, medical billing and coding, dental assisting, and then we have a business program as well. So there's something for anybody that has wanting to get into a new career field.
And Mr. Gutierrez, with these amazing students, there's also amazing instructors that are able to guide these students through these programs, and that's something that STVT is always on the lookout for, correct?
Yes, ma'am. We're always looking for good, qualified, experienced individuals that want to get into the teaching field. So please, if you're interested in something like that, stop by, see us, or you can check out our website as well. But yeah, we're always interested in seeing good candidates that want to get into the teaching field. We provide training, all of those kinds of things.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Gutierrez, for telling us a little bit more, not only about these programs, but about ways that we as a community can be part of this if we're interested in that.
Thank you very much for having me.